welcome back to my channel. I'm Kurisu91, and if this is your first time, then welcome. I hope you find something on this channel that you like, that actually helps you, and if you do, I hope you consider to come back and even subscribe. And if you do subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a new video. Now, I know y'all see that my hair, it looks kind of blown out, a little bit stretched. So I've stretched my hair for this video, and this is the third video in the Christmas Faux Hawk series. So this one is gonna be the Braid Goddess Mohawk Faux Hawk look. And so if you want to see how that turns out, then stay tuned. I will first separate my hair into 3 sections, then use Marie's edge wax to smooth my hair as I use a scrunchie to hold each section in place. Now I'll begin to braid or plait the top section and then join that braid with the hair from the second section, making my way down to the third section until the braid is complete. Once that's done, I will tuck in the ends of the braid with bobby pins. I'm using the Kankalon pre-stretched hair for this look, and yes, I'm using all 3 bundles of hair. I will attach all 3 rubber bands to the top of my head. I'll move a small portion of the hair to the side. Now you can place 2 small portions to the side to make your swoop more elaborate. You'll see what I mean in a little bit and in my next video. But I will go ahead and form a loose braid with the larger section. Now once that braid is done, I braid the smaller section or sections if you're using 2 smaller sections. I'll now take the larger braid and flip it over my actual hair braid and use bobby pins to hide my hair under the jumbo braid. Now once I'm done with that, I will create a swoop by rolling the smaller braid to the side of my head. Now if you used 2 sections of hair, your swoop will look bigger and even more elaborate. And that's it for this jumbo braid faux hawk hairstyle.